Ken Williams, Unfolded Soul. I've watched 100 of these book launch videos, and the authors are so cool and composed, but I can't be. I know the image is on your screen, man, but I can't help but hold it because I love touching it. Oh, my new book is out. Ruthless Equity, Disrupt the Status Quo, and Ensure Learning for All Students. It's been a journey. It's been a process. If you've followed my work, I appreciate your patience because I've been announcing this thing since August of last year, but it is here. I've worked with a fantastic publishing team. I'm really proud of it, and I want you to go get it. Not just because I wrote a book. Humbly, but it's not going to sound humble. I'm so damn proud of this book. I'm just proud. My wife asked me, when are you going to write another book? I was like, I don't got nothing else in me. Everything I got is in here now. I'm telling you, here it is. There is a QR code there in the corner of your screen that you can grab and scan, or just go to Amazon and search Ruthless Equity or Ken Williams. Let me know what you think. Please rate and review. Tell someone, share with someone. This is a huge day of celebration for me, and start with the crown.